Bidding alert! Bank foreclosed property sa Bacoor, Cavite for as low as 1,017,000 lang. Yes, tama ang narinig mo. Lot only 132 square meter, mura na, prime location pa. Location, Barangay Molino, Camellia Springville Heights, Gawaran Heights Subdivision, Bacoor, Cavite. Lot area 132 square meter. Lot only. As is where is. Price 1,017,000. Bidding ito so dapat mabilis ka. Mode of payment, cash, personal check, or manager's check. Pwede pa through bank home loan. Spot down payment option, balance through bank financing. Ang dali lang ng requirements, 2 valid IDs, 2 bank forms, proof of income, proof of billing, TIN verified, BIR form 1904. Guys, bidding ito kaya hindi ka pwedeng magpatumpik-tumpik. Viewing schedule is daily from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Limited lang ang slots kaya grab mo na bago maunahan ka. Huwag mo nang palampasin ang chance na to. PM me now para makasama ka sa bidding.